It is time for another property tour with your host, Alex Maloney, aka America's Realtor. And sorry about this, y'all, but it is raining a little bit indeed. And we're having a little freeze here in Mckinney, Texas. That's why the landscaping is covered like that. And let's take a look here, y'all. This is a beautiful, beautiful model. This is Grand Homes. And we are at Vintage Place. And we are in, y'all. We are so in. Look at that double staircase. And if you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so we can inform others about the awesome Texas real estate market here in Mckinney. And there's the lovely rep. And let's go over here, y'all. We're gonna go in the kitchen area. And we got some soaring ceilings, modern lighting fixture. This is the farmhouse, modern farmhouse, guys. This is beautiful. And the starting price, y'all, on this one is about 1.1. It is the Downtown Abbey plan. And like I said, McKinney, Texas. The approximate square footage of this model is 4744. And let's take a look at this open floor plan. Bay windows, soaring ceilings, y'all. Very, very modern farmhouse. And your gas grill. Under cabinet lighting. Marble backsplash. Look at that, y'all. That is awesome. And let's stroll over here. This wet bar is just great. I love that. And this is hardwood. And this is the washer and dryer room with cabinets, as y'all see. Nice storage. And the master bedroom has a door to go outside. Garden tub with the stand-up shower. Tile. Love that. That is as modern as it gets, y'all. And tile flooring. And a walk-in closet, y'all, with an island. And then there's the laundry room over there, which we can go back if we choose to. So very easily accessible to the laundry room instead of walking all the way to the other side. And let's go back this way. Lots of room in here, guys. Grand Homes does a fantastic job adding these little features that make a huge difference. Imagine having to walk all the way around, throwing your dirty laundry in. Makes it super convenient to just add that door right over there. And let's go back out, guys. Double stacked windows, everyone's favorite. Grand Homes is known for their huge bay windows. Double modern door. And let's head up, y'all. Go upstairs. And y'all, Grand Homes is one of the best production builders in DFW. They do a fantastic job. Their customer service is top notch. And they just thrive in the Dallas market, guys. Award-winning architectural designs, build about 400 semi-custom homes a year in over about 35 communities, give or take. And they're nationally recognized as well, for sure. And here's the study area for those young scholars. Shout out to those future doctors, physicians, athletes, singers, whatever you may be. And we got a full bath over here. Modern lighting fixtures. Bath shower combo with another bedroom. These are good sized bedrooms too, y'all. Way enough room for your children or guests. And we got another bedroom here. And good sized closet, just so y'all can see the size of these closets up here on the second story. And the full bath. And let's take another look at a bird's eye view of the living area. We can spend some quality family time. And let's go down this way because we can, y'all. We got two choices to go down. And just a friendly reminder, if you have not already, hit that like and subscribe button for your boy, Alex Maloney. And we're just getting another look, guys. And that is actually the guest, that can be a guest bedroom. We can wall that off because here's the full bath right here. So if you have an in-law that needs a bedroom downstairs, you could easily make that a bedroom. And you can hit up one of my contractors after you close on something like this, and they would be more than happy to help you design that. But y'all, this is a fantastic build. I love this home. I'm a country boy, guys. And let's go outside, y'all. Nice covered patio. Huge covered patio. Good amount of room out here. Can't quite fit a pool. Maybe if you take some landscaping out, you probably can, but yeah, beautiful house, guys. I just want to thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour at Vintage Place by Grand Homes in Mckinney, Texas. And if y'all need me, you know how to contact me. My phone number is always plugged in. And I will see y'all on the next one.